CNG, compressed natural gas, and LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, often referred to as cooking gas, are not the same things. When we cook using LPG, the gas comes out in a liquid form and turns into a gas before it's used for cooking. But when we use CNG, it's already in a gaseous state, like the gas we use in our stoves. That's why they're different. One important difference is that LPG is more prone to being inflammable because it's heavier than air. This means that if there's a gas leak, the LPG tends to sink and spread, making it easier to catch fire. On the other hand, CNG is lighter than air. If there's a leak, it rises and disperses quickly, making it less likely to ignite and cause a fire. When comparing historical accident data, there have been a higher number of incidents related to LPG accidents than CNG. This is due to the nature of LPG being heavier than air, which can lead to the gas accumulating in poorly ventilated areas and increasing the risk of accidental ignition. In contrast, CNG's lighter than air characteristic reduces its tendency to accumulate in hazardous pockets, making it less prone to accidents compared to LPG. CNG and LPG differ in their physical state and safety characteristics, with CNG having a lower likelihood of causing accidental fires due to its lighter than air properties.
Refer to Smart Energy Solutions for more information. Contact us by phone 0809 8887837 or 0802 769 8797 or 081 516 58316 by email info@smartenergyng.com.